Hi, this is a quick run through of the fixtures and stats Excel spreadsheet that we send to you for use in the programs. So all you have to do when you receive it from us is put the fixtures in. Where I am now is basically a list of who's played in the previous fixture. So you don't actually fill that in until the game is played. Everything in red around the periphery of the spreadsheet are column and row identifiers that the system needs so that it knows where to put the information that's within the Excel spreadsheet. So all of these need to stay in place. Now we can add to them, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. And that's how you get you increase the number of fixtures. So if I look at this row here, that's the first month. Now, although the actual name of the month is way over here, we just do it like this to keep it out of the way of what essentially is the nitty-gritty of what you're using on a regular basis. When it actually goes into the program template, that prints back over here as a month header. But you don't need to worry anything about that. All these identifiers around here tell the system when you upload the Excel where to put stuff. This cup key is related to this competition. So what we suggest you do is you type your own key in this area here. We've got a couple of suggestions there, but you may well play in some local competitions, regional competitions that we don't know about, and it's easier for you if you actually type it in here. So if, for the sake of argument, this fixture is the FA Cup, there you go, we've put FAC in there. If this fixture is the FA Vars, if we put FAV in there, again, when it prints out within the program, obviously that FAV will be there, but that key will be there as well. And you can just keep adding to this key as and when. So if you want to put the name of the league competition, come what may, just complete that key, and then when people read the program, they'll know what competition is that week. Right, so this is how we will send it to you. As I say, the month is there, and that particular one is headed July. You can change that to August, whatever you want to do. So if you change it to August, obviously you'll then change all those so that they run in the right way. So we'll leave month alone. You can see here the first row is on the 7th of September against Fleet Town. If I just change that to, I'm afraid I don't know the dates, so I'm going to make them up. If I've guessed right, it's miraculous. I haven't looked at my calendar because at the moment it's not on the wall. So I'll just change that to Saturday the 31st of July. So that month header will print above that, so we can see that that fixture is in July. Then clearly we'll go to August. So again, this made up date is wrong. So if I put Tuesday 10th August for the sake of argument. So I've changed that. That's now in August, so it's right. Again, this is just a spurious example. It's whether it's true or not is immaterial. It's just an example to show you. But you can then see that we've got the month identifiers September there. So clearly we need to add some more fixtures in here. So just click on there, left click, right click, insert, and it puts another row in. Now you must, so as ever I put it in the wrong place. If I insert it in here, I've now got the potential for another fixture. So if I type in row there, now you must put that identifier in. If I put Saturday, all blimey 15th August against the first one. And it's at home. And it's in league. So I'll put league in there if I copy that. Let's see which one it's in it, because league equals league. So I'll leave that be, don't need to put anything else in there. Clearly you can't put anything in there anyway because you won't know what any of these are. But that's how you add a fixture. You just keep doing that till when your fixture list's out, if you've got hold of that, just keep doing that. So I left click, insert another row, type in row, Tuesday 17th August. Please no criticism of the dates being wrong. I don't know what they are. I'll put in there handle and we'll go away on that one. Excuse me. And that's how we build up the fixtures. It's quite simple, but you know, when you first get this, it looks all very daunting. But it's as simple as that. You just type those in. So get all your fixtures in that you know of. For the league, you might know a couple of early cup ones. Now, where the cleverness of what the whole system is that for the sake of argument, that FA Cup one at home, we drew it, and we've got a replay away, and it's between these two fixtures which I've just put in. So if I put in insert a new one, now again I have to put in row. I put in Thursday 12th August, and who will be playing that day? All the towns around Stoke-on-Trent are playing Tunstall. Not the Aylesbury. No, sorry, Fleet Town. Put it in. Fleet Town. This time we're playing them away. You can now upload that template into your, upload this Excel file into your template. Excuse me, and it will update the fixtures straight away. So if you get cup games thrown in amongst all the league ones that you've already put in, you can just put it in, and it doesn't spoil anything. All the rows move down in sync, so it doesn't look crazy, and it's as simple as that. It's a really easy to use system. The only downside is at the start of the season, you've got to spend a bit of time putting all the fixtures in. But apart from that, very, very simple. When you've completed it, save it as whatever today's date is, and then upload it into your program. Update it, ready for the next program we create, and that's it. Thank you.